Bling! Huh?
Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. And today I am taking a request from this wonderful person right here, and I'm going to show you how to draw Funtime Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's. All right, so let's see. I'm going to start drawing with the nose. So I'm going to make a shape like this. And I'm going to leave a little oval in it. This oval I'm going to leave white. And the rest of it I can color in dark. That little white oval is like where the light is hitting his nose. Alright, so after that I'm going to come on downward a little bit from the middle. And then we can come over here at the top of the nose. Come on down like that, and then we can make that meet up with this line we made, this middle part. And then over on the other side we can do the same thing. Alright, so up above that, let's start working on the eyes. So I'm going to do a circle. And inside that, I'm going to put another circle. And another circle. And you guessed it, one more circle. And that last one, I'm going to color in all dark. And I'm going to thicken this one up. Make it real dark all around. Okay, and now I'm going to do a little line right here. And starting right here, I'm going to come on up and kind of do a little enclosure around that eye we did. Like that. And then this whole part I can color in all dark. All right, and above that, I can give him an eyebrow. He's got pretty thick eyebrows. And I can color that in all dark as well. All right, so right here, I'm gonna start with a line, and this is kind of going down in the middle of his head. So I'm just going to draw this much of it for now, and I'm going to do the other eye now. So I'm going to make that circle. I'm trying to make it around the same size as the other one, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Don't spend too much time trying to make it just right. It's okay if it's not perfect. Okay, so inside that we've got our other circle. And I'm going to make this one real dark, just like the other one. And then inside that, remember we've got a circle up top, and then a circle in the middle, and that one's going to go all dark. Alright, so now I'm going to come on up a little bit and do that like little enclosure that eye is in. And come on down, and then all that can go dark. And we can do another eyebrow. And color that one in. And then I'm going to do a little line right here. And over on this side, I'm going to curve out this part, because this is going to be like his cheek. And I'm going to bring it in right here. And I'm also going to do another circle right here. And right here, I'm gonna start to come down a bit, but I'm gonna put circle. And then put a little line right here and right here. All right, so now let's do some teeth. So I'm just gonna do top teeth for now. So I'm doing one little line here, one little line here, and we can draw across. And then we can do a little line here, and then one here, one here, one here, one here, and so on. Just trying to make the gaps, not the gaps, but the teeth like the same size. But they don't have to be the same size. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so up above here, I'm going to do a curve. And then I'm going to come on down a bit. And over here, do another curve. And then bring it down. All right, so now let's do an ear right here. So it's going to be a circle shape. And I'm going to put a line right here. I'm going to color that part in dark. And I can put another circle inside this ear. And over here, we're going to do another circle for the other ear. And the inside circle. And let's do the hat. So I'm going to put two little lines right here and connect them with this top line. And we can color that in, all dark. And then we can draw a line up straight here and up straight right here and connect it up top. And I'm going to do a little line right here for like a bow around the hat or a ribbon, and then color in the top part all dark. All right, so now down here, let's work on the rest of the mouth. So I'm going to sketch down a little bottom part of his mouth here. And right here, we're going to do a little straight line, and then it's going to come outward a little bit, and then connect to right here. And I'm going to come up a little bit right here, and then bring this line all the way over here, and then bring it down. And then I'm going to give these little, I'm going to do these little lines coming down here, so we got some bottom teeth. And this whole part here, this whole inside of the mouth, we can color in dark. All right, so now the lower part of the mouth, I'm going to do a little line right here. And right here, we're going to join up with that line. And then we can come from right here and curve up and to meet with that other part of the mouth. Okay, and let's do the little bow tie. So I'm going to do like a square. And then shape like this, and same shape on the other side. And we're also going to color that in all dark as well, but maybe I'll, that's kind of a big area to color in dark, so maybe I'll wait and do that with a marker instead of just using my pen. But it's up to you. You can color it in with whatever. All right, so I'm going to do sorry, I like lost track of how to speak just then. I'm gonna do a shape like this. And over here, same thing. And right here, we're gonna do a rounded shape. And then bring it on down. And bring it on down right here as well. And we can do some circles for buttons. So 1, 2, I believe he has 4, 3, and 4. And these can all go in, these can all be colored black. And I'm going to do a shape like this. I'm coming down on this side. And over here, I'm going to come down and give him like a little bit of a belly right here. So we came out a little bit. And right here, we can do a shape like this. And same over here. And then we can come on down right here. And bring it in and do another little line right there. And I'm going to put a line, a little itty bitty line right here. His arm is getting cut off from the side of the page, but that's okay. And a little line right here. And that's it for our sketch right now. And I'm going to start to color. All right, folks, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome, wonderful, super duper day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!